Passengers are often at extreme risk of injury in a collision in Stockton. An impact might send occupants into a car dashboard, a seat, or a door. They may suffer broken bones and traumatic brain injuries, TBIs. Medical care and physical therapy after a serious injury will be expensive, and victims should get help covering those costs. Fortunately, passengers can file a claim against the at-fault driver to secure financial help. They should seek enough compensation to pay their immediate hospital bills and any care they may need in the future. At times, the at-fault driver may be a friend or family member who was driving the vehicle the passenger was riding in. Passengers may feel conflicted about filing a claim against a driver they know. However, injury claims are filed against the driver's car insurance provider. They usually don't target the driver directly. At Mason Law in Stockton, we stand by you after you've been hurt in a collision. We handle your accident claim from start to finish so you can focus on healing. We offer free consultations to all Stockton car accident victims. Give us a call today to discuss your legal options.